What's going on YouTube? Noah back here. It's just a little video. I'll probably bring you on, probably the whole day video is what it will be. But right now I'm just out here at the house. It's Saturday, just getting some stuff figured out. I gotta work on a project over there. Make a new mount for the hydraulic cylinder. But beside the point. What I want to tell y'all about is a little bit on this trail, my trail that I have, the one that I rebuilt. Just one thing that I found that might be interesting in case somebody ever come across this issue. So a little backstory is when I bought the trail, I bought it as is, where is, all that fun jazz. No title, no nothing, just how it was. So I knew that when I bought it. But the one thing, it did have a VIN number stamped on the thing, so it was a registered trail at one point in its life. So that being said, I was hoping. I called the local DMV and asked about how I would go about getting a new title for it, this, that, and the other. Basically, what they determined is you can do it. It's complicated. Or you might be able to do it. There may be a possibility that you can't without knowing the last registered owner, this, that, and the other. So I was like, okay. Kind of was a little discouraged. I wasn't really too concerned about not running without a tag around here, just because you hardly ever see tags on trails. So whatever, didn't think too much of it. Looked into it a little bit, didn't really pursue it all that much. So then basically what I did after that is got looking online to see if there's any other way you could do it. Yada yada yada. Basically I came across a way of going through the state of Vermont to get a title. You may ask, Vermont. Why Vermont and how is that legal? So basically what it is the state of Vermont does not require you to be a resident to register a vehicle in the state. Kind of odd, but hey, it is what it is. And the other thing is if I think it's vehicles, yeah, any vehicle over, I think 25 years old, you can register with a bill of sale. You do not need a actual title to get a title for it, which is to me a little sketchy, but beside the point. So yeah, that's one thing. I don't know if any of y'all know about that or not, but it's a bill of sale. Basically there's a form you fill out, and then you send them in. You send it in with a check. There's like $75 or something, and a few weeks later you will get a registration, which then you take that registration straight to your local DMV and get a registration, and they is basically a title. They have a non-title holding state on older vehicles. And this is just what I found. There's a couple videos online on YouTube of people showing it. If I think about it, I'll link them in the description. But excuse me. Excuse me. But yeah, so basically I went through that. It wasn't a terrible process at all. Took, I think, like 2 weeks before I got the registration, and then I think it was like 4 to 8 weeks is what they said to get the actual. They actually sent me a tag, which since I've already paid for them, I went ahead and just put them on the trail. So that way, it is a Vermont tag, and I'm in North Carolina. But the fact of the matter is, it's not that big a deal. Well, when this year's up, I'll just go down and get a multi-year tag at my local DMV. It's like $100, not to worry about it for a few years. So that's what I'm thinking. But yeah, just wanted to let y'all know, if you do get into this situation, you can go to the state of Vermont. I've only talked to them on the phone once because they kind of had a mess up with my address and couldn't find where it was to send me the tags. But other than that, I find every time I tried calling them, it kept giving the busy signal. What I ended up doing, just email them. They actually responded pretty quickly in a timely manner, so it was all worked out pretty good. So yeah, that's basically what I got. Like I said, I wouldn't link everything and show y'all everything, but there's a couple videos. There's one guy, I'll put him in the description. I put the video in the description of how he did it, and it's a lot better than I could ever really explain to you. But yeah, I think it works with boats, ATVs, vehicles, trails. Don't quote me on all that, but I'm pretty sure it does. So just something to think about. But yeah, so I'll show y'all. I'll turn you on and show y'all the plates, tags on it. So yeah, basically what we got. So now we are officially registered. There's no light on it, but I'm not too concerned. I've at least got a tag on it for now. So, but yeah, so in case y'all ever wondering, y'all can go through the state of Vermont for it. I might just make this its own video now I think about it, because there's enough in here to. Yeah, originally I was just gonna go through and file for a homemade title and all that, because when I got it, it was practically homemade. But problem is there was a VIN number on the tongue, which I could have cut it off and did that way. I just didn't ever want to get caught for doing something like that, because that's not something you really want to get caught doing. Things like a felony or something. So not something that I want on my record or anywhere to do with me. So that being said, I just went through that. It's perfectly legal from everything I understand. I called it was a company that would do the paperwork for you. But you could go through them. They really weren't that expensive. But instead, I just did it myself. Saved me a little money. And it wasn't that complicated at all. It was more just do this, send it in, and wait. And then after 2 weeks, I checked in, and they said, yeah, it's approved. Just waiting on it to get sent to you. I'm like, okay, sounds good. But just a little thing in case y'all ever need to deal with that. Just thought a little thing that I found. But yeah, so I want to thank y'all for watching. I'm getting some more videos made today, so I got a project tomorrow that I think I can video. It's an on-site repair. Nothing too crazy, but it'll be probably be pretty interesting for y'all. And yeah, sorry, I'm trying to get more videos up. Have some circumstances that a little circumstances. Just haven't had time like I wanted to, and to make a decent video for y'all. So I apologize about that, but I had more to come. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more. And if you like this content and any of my comment, please share these videos. It's the only way we can grow as a channel. And I appreciate all my subscribers as you are, because without y'all, there was no point in me doing this. So anyway, and I got some stickers and stuff that I got so I can put on some of my equipment and all. If y'all be interested in doing like a giveaway, or if y'all be interested in them, let me know. I gotta figure out how to do that, but I might do like a comment giveaway, or I don't know yet. Just something about that I can maybe give y'all some of my stickers and all that. But yeah, I love that motion and all that, but I'm not at that point. But yeah, I just want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to y'all later. See ya.